Tolerances. Yes, tolerances are super important when it comes to machining things because that little tolerance is going to dictate whether or not I can properly do whatever weird thing I'm making with press fit holes, clearance fit holes, whatever it may be. Those tolerances are the only thing that's going to allow that to happen, or we're going to get parts that don't line up, don't fit, or match. Whiteboard time. So there's two types of tolerances, dimensional tolerances and geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, or GD&T for short. One controls the size and one controls the shape and location of everything else. So with dimensional tolerances, since it is size control, we're going to say, hey, that 1 inch hole, you can go above and below, denoted by that plus or minus sign, by 5/1000th of an inch, or 0.005. So our range of what is allowed is 0.995 to 1.005. And that's a symmetrical tolerance, plus, minus, but they don't always do that. Sometimes they're asymmetrical. Hey, you can go above by 0.002 or below by 0.004 or 4/1000th of an inch. Sometimes they're just hard limits that you just can't allow symmetrical tolerances. For GD&T, you usually see these symbols all over the engineering drawing, dictating holes and things like that, exactly like position. So you see a circle with a cross through it, that's dictating exactly where a hole is. So then you could dimension, okay, center of the hole from this position, that's center of the hole from this position. Depth is denoted by a straight line with an arrow going down. That's just saying, hey, this hole is exactly this depth. Diameter, if you see a hole on a drawing, usually it's denoted with this and then an arrow coming out with a circle with a hash through it, and then dimensioning the diameter tolerance using dimensional tolerance. Right, and if you're still starting out, just because there's so many different types of symbols and ways to do things, just make it simple. As long as it's easy to read, 0.95 diameter is plenty. You don't necessarily have to use a symbol as long as you make it very known that, hey, this is a diameter instead of a radius or something like that.